Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Abstract Beauty suite of products. We have the Specialty Designer Series paper. It's special too because it has gold foiling and also it's a special size 4x6. Then we have the Adhesive-Backed hexagons shapes. Those are cute. We're going to be using those. The bundle Hello Beautiful stamp set with the beautiful shapes dies. And we're going to be using that. And we also have the Abstract Beauty ephemera pack. We're going to be using some pieces from here. And then it also includes the Abstract Beauty cards and envelopes. This is the only item that we won't be using. Please excuse the dog. Okay, so these are all the products we're going to be using. But before we get started, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So first up, we have the Change is Beautiful April Paper Pumpkin Kit. You have until April 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit. This is a card kit. It makes 9 cards with 9 coordinating envelopes. And there is a link in the description box below to get this paper pumpkin kit. We have 2 different collections of products, Waves of the Ocean and All Together, that are available till May 2nd or while supplies last. And I know for both of them, some of the supplies have already sold out, so you can check the website to see which ones are still available. The Waves of Inspiration and the Waves dies, you can purchase them in a bundle and save 10%. These will be in the annual catalog coming up on May 3rd. And on this side, only thing that's carrying over are the 10 Stampin' Blends, the Natural Tone Stampin' Blends. So if anything else is already sold out, I'm sorry, it's not going to be coming back. But if they're still there, I suggest you get them while you can, okay? Lastly, we have our new April host code for April 2022. This is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. If your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you will receive Stampin' Rewards from Stampin' Up, and that equals free products. Okay, let's move on to the project. So this is what we're going to be making today. It's a mini Slimline card, and this is following the April 2022 Show Us Your Sheet Load of Cards by Call Me Crafty Al. So I always leave a link in the description box to how you can get the free PDF from her. So what we're going to do is just start putting stuff together because all the measurements will be on her PDF, and it is a free download, but you have to go to the link that I'm going to give you to find out how to download that. Okay, so we have some Just Jade, some Blush and Bride, some basic white and designer series paper, and some elements from the ephemera pack. Okay, so let's start by gluing things together, and I'm gonna just glue this with some multi-purpose liquid glue. This pack of paper is perfect for this card design because one sheet will give you both pieces that you need for the card design. So we're just going to layer that on there. And this one, yes, I know this is a long piece, but this is going to, oh no, I'm putting glue on the wrong side. We are going to have to cut another piece. Let me find the designer paper. Well, if you cut it right and then put the glue on the correct side, you only need one sheet. So this is what I had left from that one sheet when I cut all my pieces out. But I see now we're gonna have to cut another piece. Okay, now that we got our piece back, oh goodness, we're supposed to glue on the opposite side this time. Okay, and I'm just gonna leave a little 1/8 inch border, or 1/16 inch, because I cut it to be 1/8 inch larger. We probably should line this up. Make sure the papers are on there about the same. Okay, then we're gonna glue this on the inside of our card. I'm trying to get most of the gluing done before we have to stamp. And you want to glue this with your designer paper onto the right side. Now, some of my layers are different from Call Me Crafty Al because I like to change up things. I like layered things. She has a 1/4 inch border on most of her sketches, and I like a 1/8 inch border. So I usually change up some stuff so I can have a layering piece. I think that looks good this way. And we're just gonna put this right here. Just like that. Okay. And then we're gonna do some stamping. So my larger piece, this is the inside of our card. Let me put the glue for now. We're gonna take some Just Jade ink and this blobby image from the stamp set. Let me show you, I'm using this one here. And we're gonna ink it up. Make sure you get good coverage. And I'm gonna stamp it off to the side here, because we wanna leave room for you to write your message on the inside. Then we're gonna take our Night of Navy and we're gonna stamp. This calls for a celebration. I almost put that in the wrong ink. The Night of Navy. I'm gonna stamp that right inside of that. Okay, so we'll let that dry for a second while we take this image, this solid image right here, stamp that in the Just Jade. But this time, I think I want to stamp off just to get a lighter shade of it for the front. I'm gonna stamp that here, just like that. Close that up because we're done. And then on the outside sentiment, we're gonna stamp, first of all, "You're amazing." And that's gonna be in the Night of Navy. We can close that up because we are done with all of our stamping. And we're gonna get the Baby Boss out. This is the mini Stampin' Cut machine. I call it the Baby Boss. And we're going to die cut our outside sentiment. Just like this. This is such a nice stamp set. This is my first time using it. Well, first time using it on camera, I guess I should say. Okay, so we're done with that. Get all of our pieces together. Okay, so now we can start gluing stuff together. Where did I put the glue? So let's glue our inside piece. Put this on the inside. Just like that. And then we're gonna take this piece that I did previously and we're gonna layer it with this one. So we're just gonna put a little bit of glue. Ooh. I said a little bit, but that is quite a bit. Let me spread that out a little. We're gonna layer this. Where did I put the other one? We're gonna layer it this way, I think. Just like that. Then we're gonna put glue only on half. Oh goodness, I think I'm being too heavy-handed. About half of that. And we're going to put this right here, hanging off the edge of the front, just like that. Then we're going to take our little vellum gold foil ephemera pack piece and put just little dots of glue behind the gold. We're going to layer that right here. And then for this piece, I think I want to use dimensional. Do I have any large dimensionals? Well, we'll use a black one because apparently I used all my big ones and didn't replace them. So we'll just put this right here, coming off the side. Oh no. I should have put my dimensional here to make sure that I don't put anything there. Okay, and we're almost done. Of course, you know what I have to add now, the bling. So let's get our adhesive-backed hexagons. How do I get into here? Oh, it's on the front. And we are going to use the black. So I'm going to take one of the large ones and put it there. Then the next size up is the medium. I don't want it to get lost. We'll put it here. Then we'll take a smaller one. Put it right there. I like that. Okay, you guys, that is it. That is our card for today. Don't you love it? I do. Nice and simple mini slimline card. Okay, you guys, that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.